Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video from. It's me again, Peter. Today, we're going to be looking into a different topic on how to set compliance policy for a Linux device. Let's get started. Once you have access to your Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center dashboard, we have to go to Devices, or maybe on the dashboard itself. Let's see what we have. I think I'm going to refresh this. Okay, dashboard, devices. Once we get the device, we want to go check the Linux machine that we provisioned the last time. It's showing compliance because we don't have any compliance policy set up. So in this case, we wanted to go and check on compliance and create a policy. We already have the platform to set to Linux, and the profile type is going to be settings catalog. We'll click on create. Once we get here, we just wanted to give it a name, basic Linux device policy. You can provide a description. Now we click on next. So we're going to add settings. In this case, we wanted to choose device encryption. You can actually have a custom policy if you have one, like discovery scripts, or set your rules file. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go to device encryption. Also, I'm going to set a password policy, and maybe I'm going to set minimum length lowercase. That's all. I'm going to click on X. So here I'm just going to say minimum lowercase to be 6 and maximum length to be 9. And also I want the device to be encrypted. I'm going to choose next. If you want, you can actually set up these and send email to user after some days and stuff like that. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to add a group that I created before this video. It's going to be Linux devices, whereby I have the device that we actually provisioned like 2 or 3 days ago. My device right here, I already had it to a group. So during the compliance policy assignments, I'm going to click on next. Actually, our device is going to be showing that it's compliant until we deploy the compliant policy, and this will actually shows if the device is not compliant or it's compliant. What's going on? I hope I'm not blocked out. All right, so let's continue with our compliance policy. Now that we have the compliance settings, we have the summary of that policy. Okay, immediately the groups, and we just have to create. So I'm going to log in to the device with my user 1. So let's see what happened here. It looks like it's not going to show immediately. So now that we have our policy right here, so we're just going to leave it. I'm going to put up a timer just to see how long it takes for that to apply. So I'm going to put the timer right here. Why? Okay, it's saying it's compliant right now because there's no policy attached to this device at the moment. So I'm going to go back to the Linux compliance policy. Let's see. Okay, all good right here. So we're going to wait a little bit. Let's check. The device is still showing compliance, so let's wait a little bit to see. We're going to be checking this like every 5 minutes. For the sake of this video, I'm going to pause right now, so I'm going to be back when this device say non-compliant after the policy has been applied. Let's check over here before I pause the video. Okay, now we started seeing error message. Look at that. This error means that the device is not encrypted. If I go back to the Linux device, let me go and check my device. I'm going to check the hardware, scroll down a little bit. Even though it's showing compliant right now, but we will be able to see that the encrypted is set to null. So definitely the device compliance that was set, it's once it actually sync to this device, the compliance it's going to show non-compliance. So let's wait a little bit. While we are waiting, we just wanted to see how long it takes for the device to show non-compliant. So I'll be right back. Alright, I'm actually back. So let's see how long it takes, like almost 5 minutes, and once I refresh this, the device is showing non-compliant anymore. So meaning that it roughly takes like maybe 3 to 4 minutes for the device not showing compliant. Also maybe from the porter it might take around 5 to 7 minutes, maybe maximum. Okay, look at that, it's just like around 4 to 5 minutes for the device to be showing non-compliant. So in this way, this is how we deploy the compliance policy for this device. Even though this, okay, now you look at that, it just shows non-compliant. So definitely it took like 5 minutes to 6 minutes for this to change to non-compliance. So with that being said, that is all about this compliance policy for today. I hope this information has been informative to you. If it does, please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support. I will see you on the next video. Bye bye for now.